I know there's computer forensics guys. They're not gonna say it's legit unless they are sure.
You'll never be the Dragon Warrior unless you lose 500 pounds and brush your teeth.
Well then, how are we gonna do that unless we give it a shot and hope for the best?
Oh, we can handle your little witch if she decides to dreamwalk.
No, you cannot. Not unless you give me the Book of Ashanti.
So you cannot sleep with me unless I marry you.
I'll sleep. Why are you laughing?
I can't send you home unless you get this thing off my head.
Unless the culprit behind these attacks is caught, it is likely the school will be closed.
It doesn't matter if we find a Horcrux. What do you mean?
Unless we can destroy it.
But you must wait until Voldemort is at his most vulnerable.
They're gonna come like a rain that never ends, unless we stop them.
You have no idea what the world is like.
Yes, and neither will she unless she goes out and experiences it.
I won't do it unless you help me. I'm not leaving here unless it's on an airplane.
I'm not gonna hurt you, Scott, unless I have to.
They want their power back.
And they're gonna get it one way or another, unless we find the Omega.
I can't help you unless you show it to me.
And the truth is, I'll never know unless I ask him.
She's coming to kill you. And unless you accept my assistance, I have no doubt she will succeed.
Are you saying that you're gonna go through with this wedding unless I tell you not to?
But he won't show unless he's real sure you're not going to be there.
But I won't do anything unless you want me to.
Don't fire unless they fire first.
Even after it's boring, unless you want people to really get mad at you, which they will anyway.
I cannot help you unless you tell me what's wrong.
Unless you have a companion joining you later. If you have a companion, it's more.
I don't have a companion.
Unless someone comes later.
I will tell them nothing unless you help me.
She says she's gonna release the story unless I tell her all the details about your meeting.
Sir, unless you change your tone, I'm going to have to end the call.
Of course I'm gonna win it this year, unless some freak accident happens.
Repeat, one school will be dismissed at 3 p.m. unless John McClane and his new best friend completes the tasks I set them.
Well, no one here is going to hell. Unless you girls get your clothes dirty.